All right, we got my boy Bruce Leroy. I don't know how to do it, sorry. All right, we got my boy Leroy in the chair, man. We got the new Gamma Cyborg. We're gonna put this to use. I'm gonna use the guards that it came with. Also, we're gonna be doing a 2.5 on top and a taper. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna put the number 2 guard. There we go, number 2 guard on the clipper. It sits on there nicely. Lever open. All right, so we got the 2 guard lever open. We're gonna go over the top of my client's head. And we're gonna just work this clipper, man. I like the sound that it's given when it's cutting. You know, it has that crunch sound. Really like that brushless motor in it. It's a quiet motor, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can barely hear it on. And I like that because you'll be able to hear the crunch of the hair while it's getting cut. We're gonna bald my client out. We wanna keep the C cup, so we're gonna preserve that and we're gonna bald them out this way. Some people call this a burst taper, but I do it to preserve C cups when the clients wanna keep the hooks. Since I already got the trimmer in my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and line up my client back here. All right, well, that didn't go as planned. So the trimmer just died on me, but I'm gonna use the Stylecraft Flex now. Now I'm gonna come right below that with my shaver. All right, now I'm going back on my Cyborg clipper lever all the way open. And we're gonna set in our first panel of hair that we're gonna blend into. And we're gonna keep that same shape. Once again, that way we preserve some of that C cup area. And once I got that in there, I'm gonna close my knots, or close my lever 2 notches. So now we're halfway. Work my way halfway into this section. And I'm gonna close my lever all the way and start attacking that bottom line. Now I got my 1 guard on my clipper, lever open. Setting in another section. I don't know if y'all can hear the clipper cutting, but it's worked. Like, I'm liking that because my client, you know, it's kind of blended here already. He came in, was it last week? Yeah. He came in last week, so it's not too long, so I can hear what exactly is being cut. But now that we got that done, I'm gonna close my lever, work the bottom of that section. And I may not get that line out completely. I'll come back in with my 1/16 guard. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I got my 1/16 guard on there. My lever is open to the notch right before the last notch. And we're gonna barely try to attack this line without raising it. And then we're just gonna adjust our lever closed as needed. Close it another notch, come right below that, and then close it all the way and try to attack this bottom line. And it's okay if the blend doesn't look 100% perfect. We're just laying the foundation. We're gonna come back in detail later on anyways. All right, so we did a 2.5 on top. I did a 2 in this area on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my 1.5 guard open, and I'm gonna start blending all the this bulk right here on the top of the taper. So once again, I'm going in with my clipper open, or my lever open with the 1.5 guard. And if this doesn't get that line out completely, I'll adjust my lever all the way closed. And then as y'all can see, I am doing some slight lever play, just adjusting my lever little by little, attacking certain areas that I feel are necessary to be attacked with this guard on my clipper. And this is still the 1.5 guard. All right, so now the bulk of my work is done. Yes, the blend isn't 100% blended yet. Obviously, there's some small details I need to go back in detail. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take my 1 guard lever open, use the corner of my clipper. And as y'all can see, I'm just trying to basically do some corner cutting, corner blending, whatever you wanna call it. It's basically like point cutting, just trying to attack a specific area. And the good thing about using the corner is you won't take off too much hair in a big area. You'll just take off exactly what you're trying to take off. All right, so a lot of times I do just some slight detail work and then I move on to the edge up. So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna take my half guard one more time and try to attack this little area right here. And I'm not gonna focus too much on it. I'm just gonna hit it up a little bit. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to the edge up. All right, so now that we got that situated, we're gonna move on to the lineup. I'm gonna take my trimmer, start off in the middle, and I'm gonna work my way over to the side that I was blending. And right here, what we're gonna have to do is we're actually gonna have to push his lineup back slightly in this corner right here, because as you can see, it wants to go backwards at the bottom. So we wanna make sure we leave it straight or at a slight angle. So if I left it like that, it would look like it's coming at an angle this way. So we don't want that, we want it to look straight. So we're gonna go ahead and push that back slightly. All right, so now we got that situated. I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the C cup. And as we can see, it's a little light here, but it's all right. We're gonna hit that up with some enhancements later on in the cut. But now I'm gonna go back in detail. I'm gonna go with my half guard once again. But as y'all can see, man, this clipper is doing the job, it's doing what it should do. I had no issue with taking down bulk, no issue with blending. This guard system is slightly different from their original dub guards, but if you use the wall guards, you may like these dub guards a little better, because I feel like the half all the way to the 2 feels or resembles the wall guards a little more, so it's easier to use if you're used to the wall fading system. All right, now we're gonna add some enhancements just to make this line pop a little more. All right, we're gonna hit my client with some hairspray, just so we can double up on them enhancements.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
We're gonna use the Tune 45 hair fibers. Now we're gonna lock that in with some more hairspray. All right, now we're gonna hit my boy with that Barber pencil. All right, now I'm gonna go over the lineup with the razor. Alright guys, check it out. This is how my man came into the shop looking. This is the before look. And this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut in the comment section. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember guys, if you're in the Houston, Texas area and want a haircut from your boy, you can go to my website, tankbechopping.com. You can book there. Also, if you want any of my discount codes, click the description down below and you can see all my discount codes for Gamma, Stylecraft, Babyliss, you know, Tune 45, all that good stuff, man. But yeah, once again, guys, let me know what you think about this cut. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.